Welcome to Power System Fundamentals for Engineers, a power and energy course, powered by Tonex.com. Power System Fundamental Training course simply teaches you the history behind the power generation and lays down the basic theory of the circuit analysis in AC/DC systems. Different components of a power system including the generation units, power plants, transmission level, transmission lines and substations, and customers, loads, will be discussed. Learn about RMS concept, power factor correction, Kirchoff's voltage and current law, reactive compensation, magnetic material, circuit breakers, dynamic loads, induction machines, concept of slip, three-phase transformers, reserve in power market, black start definition, audience, all individuals who need to understand the power system from generation to consumption, power traders to understand the power systems, independent system operator personnel, faculty members from academic institutes who want to teach the fundamentals of power systems course, investors and contractors who plan to make investments in power industry, professionals in other energy industries, marketing people who need to know the background of the products they sell, electric utility personnel who recently started career in power systems or having new job responsibilities, technicians, operators, and maintenance personnel who are or will be working at power plants or power system generation companies, managers, accountants, and executives of power system industry, scientists or non-electrical engineers involved in power system related projects or proposals. Training objectives: explain the basics of circuit analysis, understand the main elements of power plants, describe the electricity generation in generators, understand the transformer operation and modeling, differentiate different transmission lines, model and analyze transmission lines, understand the different types of loads and their performance, describe the operation of induction machines, understand the HVDC transmission systems, understand the concepts of power system operation and power market, explain the concept of profit in economic operation, understand the different terminologies in power markets such as ancillary services, concept of reserve and balance between generation and demand. Training outline: introduction to power systems, magnetic fields and AC circuits, power system components, fundamentals of generation, synchronous machines, generators, transformers, concepts of power delivery, power system operation. Taking the Power System Fundamentals for Engineers training course will help you to understand the basic concepts of electricity generation, circuit analysis, power plants, generators, power delivery and power market. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course, audience, objectives, outlines, pricing. Visit our website www.tonex.com.